Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says that if AD is not equal to BC, then prove that this equation is given to us, which can be said to be a quadratic equation by assuming this to be A x square plus B x plus C equals to 0, where A can be A square plus B square, B can be 2AC plus BD, and C is this whole constant. So now, when it comes to prove that it has no real roots, so first of all, the first thing which should come to our mind is to calculate the determinant. The determinant is b square minus 4ac. So by putting the values of b and c highlighted over here in this equation, we get minus 4 AD minus BC whole square. And since AD is not equal to BC is given us in the question, so the D comes out to be negative, and we know that if D is negative, then the equation has no real roots.